Hello, this is Mrs. Stump. I'm going to be explaining your reading assignment for today, and then you will need to come back for part B, your writing assignment that Mrs. Krieger will be explaining. Our focus skill today will be identifying theme. So everything you will need is under classwork. And these tasks are in order in which you will need to complete them. So for identifying theme, you're going to come here and find the video. And after watching the video, you should answer this question. What 3 criteria or ground rules as stated in the video are used when identifying theme? Then Mrs. Krieger and I have found 2 legends. And a legend is just a narrative. It's often been handed down from the past. And a legend is used to explain an event, transmit a lesson, or simply entertain. So your first legend, Pushing Up the Sky, is an audio. So you will listen to this story. Your next legend is Why the Sky is Far Away. You will click on this link and it'll bring you to a PDF. You will read this story. After reading this story, you have some questions to answer on identifying theme. These are in a Google form, so you will click on this link and it should bring you to your questions. After you've completed the questions, you should come back here. Your screen looks different than mine, but you should be able to click on this and then tap Turn In. And that completes your reading assignment. And then make sure you come back for part B. Thank you.